The exercise began at 10 a.m. through 2 p.m., but only for over a dozen people turning up to get vaccinated presents a grim indictment and goes to show the level of vaccine hesitancy in the country.
Turnout is very low since 10 o'clock we are here, but we just vaccinated few.
Yankuba Manjang is a youth leader who has been hesitating to get vaccinated. COVID vaccination began in the Gambia in March, but it's today that he has finally made up his mind to take the vaccine.
I was hesitant because with all the fake news circulating around it, people saying there are side effects after taking vaccine.
Health officials are frustrated that Gambians are not cooperating with regard to getting vaccinated against COVID.
I think it is very serious, and it's one of the most challenging issues that we are facing as healthcare workers because as I mentioned earlier on, we have a target that we are working towards. We have a target that we want to vaccinate with regards to the region, and since the beginning of the vaccination in March, we still yet to get that target. So you can see that there is a whole lot that needs to be done with regards to vaccine hesitancy, because there is a lot of misinformation on media's platforms. So I think we have a lot to do in order to counter those information so that people can know what is their benefit with regards to COVID-19 vaccination.
Tuesday's vaccination exercise targeted members of the civil society and the media. Desire Bakurin is the executive director of Tango, the umbrella organization for non-governmental organizations in the country.
This is very important because we are collaborating together with Sahel, Ministry of Health, which is government, and other partners to sensitize, at the same time provide the opportunity for people to take the vaccine. We have to protect ourselves, and also we have to protect other people.
Sahel Films is the organization behind the exercise, forming part of its activities in ensuring COVID-free elections.
We all know that the elections are coming up in December, and there needs to be an uptake of the vaccine. We've seen a lot of mobilization in crowds and people gathering in rallies and things like that. So we wanted to make sure that people were safe. And also this particular campaign was really targeted at the CSOs, media and academia. And I think there's still a lot of vaccine hesitancy in Gambians. And the concern now is that we still have over 160,000 vaccinations that are being kept. And in November, the vaccines are going to expire.
So this exercise here at Tango, officials here aren't really impressed in terms of the amount of people who have turned up to get vaccinated.
The Gambia government wants to vaccinate 1.4 million of the country's 2 million people, but the number of people who have been vaccinated so far teeter around 210,000. A sorry number which goes to show the government has a massive job on its hand to convince citizens that the vaccine is safe.